Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove this face cover on your PlayStation 5 controller. And you can easily change this out and get a different one. Maybe you want like a blue one or something like that. You can just go on the Amazon.com and you can find these faceplate covers. I believe they're called shells on there. So if you want to get like a blue one, that's great. But here's my controller that I don't open up a lot, and it's a little bit more difficult to get this off. So maybe you got like tweezers laying around, or maybe like a guitar pick. But if you go to the bottom here, you just need to create some separation on the bottom, and then you can lift it up. So with this is really good. I bought this little kit called Techman off of Amazon for opening up like a PlayStation or fixing your controllers. It's got a bunch of different tools in there, like T8 security screwdrivers, but came with these tweezers. All I have to do is go in just like this and lift up, and boom, that pops off, and I can just take off and peel the rest of it off. So let's go to this side. Boom, very easy. So if I'm trying to do this with other tools, like I got this little spudger, I can't quite get in there well enough to take it off. So I don't know, if you use like a flathead screwdriver or something like that, you might be able to get in there, but the problem is you're going to be scratching up your controller, because this is pretty much what, like steel or something like that. And with this, you're just more precise. So once you get this a little bit, you just have to lift up, and it's easy if you can get both sides off at the same time. So we can just get in here and do that. Otherwise, you can just lift up here, it should just pop off. So if you can get both sides up, it would be a lot easier. So let's do this now. So you can see I have a different back plate on here with these back buttons. eXtremeRate back pedals, very nice. You got two of them here, and you got two in the middle. And I have a bunch of tutorials on my channel on how to do that. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I got the purple skull candy thumbsticks as well on Amazon. I really like these. I like them more on this one, where they're elevated. So if you want to do this on your DualShock or DualSense controller, the Pro one, that costs a lot of money, there's just a little button on the back here. You just have to move to the side. Now it's kind of hard to get. You just have to get it with your thumbs or your fingernail, and then it will pop off. But you're not going to be replacing this one anytime soon. I don't know if there's any of them, but you can remove the thumbsticks if you do this here. I believe that will just pop out. But yeah, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.